So in case you've never done this before, if you start up your Tahoe and you do see the windshield wiper fluid is low and you haven't filled it before, this is how you're going to do it. So the first thing you need to do is reach underneath the steering wheel. There is a hood release. You're just going to hear a loud click. Just pull it forward once. Now go around to the front of the car. There is going to be a safety latch directly in the center. Push it to the right, and now you can lift your hood up. It should stay up. If you're getting close to winter, just use the simple methanol-based windshield wiper fluid. Your wiper container is going to be on the right-hand side when you're looking in the car. So you're just going to need to poke your fingers now through that aluminum seal on top of the bottle, and now you can go ahead and pour it in that compartment. Now, your system should actually hold an entire gallon. If it doesn't, it just means there's some left in there, so you can take the rest and throw it on the shelf. In my case, it took the whole bottle. Now I just need to close up and give that cap a good snap shut. Now you can shut your hood. Make sure you didn't leave anything underneath there. I will put a link in the description to the wiper fluid that I recommend before winter. Once you lower the hood, push it down firmly to click it. Now go inside your car. There's nothing else you need to do. You should just confirm that your windshield wiper fluid warning light is off. That's all there is to it. Super easy. You can definitely do this yourself without taking it to a shop. Thanks for watching. Check out the description for more information and hit that subscribe button if you'd like to see more videos.